Hi, I hope you're having a wonderful day today. Today I have a Louis Vuitton handbag unboxing for you. This is a brand new release. I am super excited to open this. This is a real unboxing. This just came and I have never seen this bag in person before, which you'll understand why, even though it is a new release, in just a moment. So before we get into all of that, if you're new to my channel, my name is Melinda. If you're returning, I cannot thank you enough for coming back. I have noticed in my analytics that 67% of my viewers are not subscribed to my channel. So if you're not subscribed, why not just hit that button down below and join us and have some fun. And if you are subscribed, thank you so much. So as always, let's start with jewelry of the day. I am just wearing gold hoop earrings. I have on my 23-year-old diamond that I turned into a solitaire necklace. I have on my custom necklace that I designed. No rings on this hand. I am wearing my rose gold white enamel Hermes Click H bracelet, and on this hand is a very old 4-strand. This is just gorgeous. I love this. A 4-strand pearl and silver bracelet from Michael Dawkins, and of course my wedding set. So here is the receipt, and here is the box. It is a pretty big box. Let's undo the ribbon. Try to get this up where you can see it. Let's just do it this way instead of trying to untie it. Okay, so it's not so easy to hold. Okay, and let me get this out of the way. Alright, so the dust bag, and it is, I'm sure you've guessed it already, the Slouchy PM in the Damier Azur. So I had really debated getting the graceful in either the PM or the MM in the Damier Azur, and I said in whichever video I was talking about the graceful being discontinued, that I decided not to do that because I was going to put that money towards a different bag that I wanted. That bag, it was not Murakami, it was an exotic, and it ended up being so limited it sold out very quickly while I was debating if I wanted to spend that kind of money on a bag or not. So this, I do believe, is the replacement for the graceful bags, and I wanted to try it. I think this would be so fabulous for spring and summer. So let's check it out. So we're gonna go over the bag, then I am going to stop the camera. I'm gonna play with it for a little bit. I'm gonna see how it sits on my shoulder, and then I'm gonna come back. I'm gonna show you what fits, and I'm going to show mod shots as well and tell you what I think of it after I've had a chance to look it over. So the fabulous Minx for All Minnie just unboxed this on her channel last weekend. I got the email about 2 weeks, it'll be close to 2 weeks when this video comes up, that these were pre-order on the website and that they're launching on March 21st, I believe, in store. And I really thought about getting the MM size. I didn't even know that this size existed, because when I would go on the website, I would type in slouchy MM. I had no idea. So I think this might be a better size. The MM size is very similar to the graceful, and what I want this bag for is to wear it with sundresses and shorts and t-shirts, and I don't need a giant bag for that. So let's go over the features of the bag. So you've got 2 zippers here, shiny gold hardware on those. On the side of the bag, hers did not come like this. There is a little dust bag here, and to take that off, there is a removable luggage tag, and then there is also a lock that does not have a key. And so I don't know how you get into this. Let's see. Oh, you just pull it. It's on a spring. You just pull it down It's on a spring. It is shiny and it says Louis Vuitton Paris on the back, and then it has just the LV logo here on the front. That will show. And then now I see what she was talking about in the video. Hers did not come with this. I don't know what this is. It's not, I don't think it's leather. There's something that they put underneath of the strap, and I'm not sure if it's to help keep its shape or what, but it just inserts. It was inserted on both ends there. So she said she got that. She also has the MM size in monogram as well. So let's look at the inside. Let's see where it's from. See if I got lucky. I know people say it doesn't matter, but it's a French brand and I want it made in France. And it is. It is Louis Vuitton Paris, made in France. Is that focusing? Focus, focus, focus. It has a beautiful rose ballerine microfiber interior. They did not call it rose ballerine, I believe, on the website, but it looks like rose ballerine to me. And then there is a zippered compartment on the back that is very, very generous. There's that. What else do we have in here? There's the little tag. It says exterior coated fabric, interior textile trim of vachetta leather. And yes, that's all it says. Yep. And then there is a tag. This is my first bag I have gotten from them that has had a tag on it. They've never had tags before. And the item number, if you're interested, N00116. Oh, it's not showing. Just listen to me. N00116. And it just says Slouchy PM. Oh, it does say Rose Ballerine. On the tag, it says Slouchy PM Damier Azur Rose Ballerine. So it is Rose Ballerine. I love the combination of the pink and the white, and I really was going to wear a light pink t-shirt, but I don't have any because I look terrible in light pink, even though it is my favorite color. I have tons of light pink bags, but that's how I wear it because I don't think it looks good on my skin tone because I am pink. The top of the handle says Louis Vuitton Paris, and it is just beautiful. It is not treated leather at all. It has the little V here, the nice little detail, and the same on this side. And yeah, it's really, really cute. So I'm going to pause it here. I am going to try it on, show you, and try my things in the bag and show you what fits, and then come back with final thoughts if it is a keeper or not. Okay, let's see what fits. I'm going to show you what I have. I have my clear glasses, my iPhone. I have no idea. I think it is the 14 Pro. I have my Hermes Bastia. I have got to figure this out. Can y'all see the black stuff on there? There is something in one of my purses that is getting black stuff on everything. I can't figure out for the life of me what it is. It wipes off of all the leather, but it doesn't wipe off of this pouch. But anyways, my Chanel sunglasses. I have my mini pochette, and I just wiped this off yesterday. So I don't understand what it is. I don't really chew gum anymore. I like these mints. And I have my new Coach wallet. And I have my keys in a Louis Vuitton clay. I have a little hairbrush from Sephora. And some tissues. So let me scoot this over, because the way this tripod is, I can't get any closer. I'm going to have to scoot the bag towards me so that you can see. Whoops, we lost the hairbrush here. And you might see some sunshine coming in and see some streaks of sun. It is that time of day, and I did open up all the windows so that hopefully, got my ring light here too, but hopefully you'll be able to see inside really well. Okay, so there it is. It's nice and generous, and we'll start with the mini pochette. Put that down in there, and the clear glasses. the Coach wallet. See all that? Tons of room. The key pouch. The Bastia, which, okay, I'm not going to put that in there until I wipe the black stuff off of it, but you can clearly see it would fit, but I don't know what that is. There is the mints and my little hairbrush, tissues, sunglasses. That does not come off. I've tried with a cloth, so I know it's not going to get on the bag. And my phone. And there's still plenty of room. So I do like the capacity. Let's check the zippers out. Oh yeah, they're nice and smooth. Check the other one. I'm gonna check both sides. Oh yeah, very, very nice and smooth. That's really pretty. And in case it didn't show, here we go. There's the Louis Vuitton Paris. And of course it is on both of the zipper tabs as well. So now I'm gonna walk around, try it on, and let you know how it works on my shoulder. Okay, so this is what it looks like on me. I am 5'6" for reference, and it's comfortable. It's really comfortable. See if there's a way I can show you. I can show you if my stupid phone wouldn't keep going off. So there is room. It is not by any means the most generous strap drop, but it also, pardon my filming equipment, it is also not, it's also not in your armpit as much as the graceful PM. And one thing I did notice when I was walking around is if you want to like kind of put it back like that, I think that that's comfortable, but this is comfortable too. And in the summertime, obviously I would not be having on a jacket. It would just be, you know, the t-shirt. So there'd be even a little bit more room. And for me personally, because of where I live, this is not a print I would reach for in the winter. If I lived in Arizona, California, Florida, you know, somewhere really, really warm year round and sunny year round, I would, but not here. But yeah, wow. It's, yeah, I was really, really worried about that. I was so worried about that. And it's, yeah, it's good. It feels good. It's not heavy. It doesn't fall off of, whoops, there's all the filming equipment. It doesn't falling off of my shoulder at all. Oh, wow. Yeah, I like it. So, okay. Okay, so final thoughts. It is a keeper. I am really excited about it. I was nervous, like I said. It is not the most generous strap drop, but when you have your things in it, it slouches, thus the slouchy PM. My only concern with this bag is the slouch, even though I love the slouch, and that's a huge part of why I bought it. But I haven't had any problems with my graceful. So perhaps this one will be the same way, but many of you know my Louis Vuitton Loop Hobo GM. I had two of them. I had two of them and they both warped. So I'm kind of a little bit nervous nowadays when it slouches, but I think this will be fine. It is really, really, really pretty. It's gonna be so fun to use this spring and this summer. I'm super, super excited about this. Okay, yeah. I needed to try it on. It's awesome. I love it. Thank you so much for letting me share. Yeah, I was really like, when you're looking online, there's only $100 price difference between this one and the bigger one. And I'm like, should I have gotten the bigger one? But all the videos I've seen of people with the bigger one, it seems to be the same size as my graceful MM. And I love that bag, but I don't want another bag that size. I only need one bag that big. So yeah, I'm super excited about that. Yeah, it's comfortable. Oh, and it looks so cute. I love it. Yes, okay. Thank you for letting me share. I hope you have an amazing day today, and I hope to talk to you again very soon. Take care. Bye-bye.